Okay, I've got the Safebox folder open. It's located at /home Kodachi Safebox. To encrypt this folder, go to Extra Tools and then Encrypt Safebox. In the pop-up window, press any key to continue and then choose an encryption password. Re-enter the password. And then you can close the window. And you notice that everything has a dot locked at the end of it, showing that it's encrypted. And if you open it up, you just get a bunch of garbage. To decrypt, go back to Extra Tools and choose Decrypt Safebox. Press any key to continue, and type in the password used to encrypt the folder. Okay, we'll open up test.txt again, and you can see everything is readable now. But if you use the wrong password, you're going to be in trouble. So I'll show you that. Let's re-encrypt everything. Okay, everything's encrypted again. So go to decrypt. And this time we'll enter the wrong password. Okay, everything appears to be encrypted, or unencrypted. But if we open up the test.txt, we can see everything is wiped out. And our PNG is not readable. So now you're completely screwed. There's no way to recover that. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.